Hi, my name is Aftab Hussain, and today I will share with you the reason that why I started this channel. Living a six-figure salary was not an easy decision, but I did it because I had a bigger dream to learn artificial intelligence and make a difference. My journey into AI started with curiosity but quickly became a passion. It was not a smooth journey. I faced obstacles, doubts, and challenges, but my passion kept me going. But every obstacle taught me something valuable and bring closer to my goal. Today, I am here with a mission to help students, freelancers, and anyone eager to learn, explore the incredible world of AI. Through this channel, I will guide you step by step to understand AI concepts, share practical tips, and provide free resources to make your learning journey successful. In the future, I will bring you the tutorials, real-world applications of AI, career advice, and motivational concepts, whether you are just starting or looking to level up. This channel is your part of success. Join us as we unlock the power of AI and shape a better future together. Let's start this journey, and remember, if I can do it, so can you.